Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you about the programming languages, what are different type of programming languages and which is better and why, and what is leading and all. So before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and like and share my video. So before starting my introduction, I will like to start with a nice quote that any fool can write a code which computer can understand, but a good programmer can write a code which human can understand. So with this line, let's start. So there are many types of programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, and Go, then PHP, C Sharp, R, and all. There are many types of programming language, but in competition, there are only four programming language which are in competition: Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Python, and R. These are the some of leading programming languages. Means competition is between these programming languages. Now, the I would in this video majorly I will tell you that about Python or C, C++. So these both are nice programming language as C is introduced between the year 1972 to 1973 by Sir Dennis Rich, and by the year 1980 it gains its popularity, and whereas Python was developed by Sir Guido van Rossum by the year 1989. In C, it is complex syntax and difficult to read, whereas in Python, it is easy to read and debug, faster development time, increased productivity, and all. So, in Python, the main benefit is that you need not to develop, or means you need not to write a whole library. Okay, you simply need to call that library, call that function, and moving ahead. Whereas in C or in C++, you need to first of all define that what is that library, and you need to means in Python there is inbuilt library, and in C, C++ there is no such that inbuilt library. You need to define it, need to build first of all that library and then use that library. Okay, and you need to write, that's why you need to write the code also too much. Like you can see, this is the Python IDE for Python, and I have written a code like simple code. My name is Pratik Datta. I need to print this line. Okay, this is my input. So simply I have written print my name is Pratik Datta and then run it. It will give me output my name is Pratik Datta. Okay. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to A plus B, print C. So what will be the value? A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to A plus B, means 1 plus 2, 3. So it will print 3. If I run this, you will get first this and then this. Whereas in C, if you simply need to write this one line code, my name is Pratik Datta in C, then this is include studio.h, then int main, and then print, then return 0 and all. So this is total 6 line code. It will also give the output as same. My name is Pratik Datta only. But the writing of code is of 6 line and there it's of only 1 line. It has little bit syntax, means small syntax, but in here the syntax is too large. There is you need to first of all define that function and all like that. Okay. Then one more thing is that in Python it run step by step. If you have error in third line, so it will run the code up to second line and then stop, and it will give that in third line there is error. While as in C++, it will first of all only it will give the error that in this line this is error. It won't run, it won't initialize. In simple word, if I say that it won't initialize a single line. Then if I move forward, for C++, you need to install the IDE named Turbo C++. There are many, lots of Turbo C++ and Dev C and all. So in Turbo C++, it will save your file in that IDE only. You can't operate in it on means you cannot find that file in simple window. Its location is in that IDE only. If you save, whereas in Python it can be located in your simple windows only, in file only. Okay. If you are working some task in C++ and you need to quit that, so first of all you need to save and then you need to quit, and then if you want to open it again, then go to that particular file location inside that inside that only Turbo C++ and all. So instead of that you can use online compiler also, or Dev C is also a nice one. In online compiler this is GDB, I think it's better. For game development purpose and all, nowadays also C++ are used, whereas in Python also you can develop the game. And in leading, C++ is far behind than Python. Nowadays a programming language, everyone want that a person to know the basic concept and knowledge regarding programming languages, but in Python it's leading because it's easy and all. And runtime, one thing is better in C++ is runtime. If you are running a 100-line code, okay, suppose your output is of 100 line, so in Python it will give your output in 2 seconds, then in C++ it will give your output in 1 second only. So runtime is less in C++. If you compare this with Java, I think Python is Python has its disadvantage in the field of development, web development and all, little bit disadvantage. So for development kind of thing you may prefer JavaScript as your programming languages, and that's too good in that field. And no doubt you may perform these tasks also in JavaScript, but that is specialized in programming, or means programming for web development and all. For front end and back end like thing, you may prefer JavaScript. And then this is all about Python and C++. So in demand, if I say, so JavaScript is in first, Python second, then C++ third, and then PHP, then C sharp, then R, like this, and then Go, Golang and all. So these are some of the programming language, and in demand JavaScript, then Python, then C++. So if you want to take any suggestion from me, then I will prefer you to choose Python as your programming languages for future. Okay, and nowadays also many companies and many programming field, they opt for Python only. Okay, because of time consumption also. Nowadays you can see there is less time and you need to work more. Okay, so Python is best, and C++ is also nice, no doubt, but if Python is 90%, then C++ is 60%. Simply in proportion, I can say, you can understand this thing. So that's all about my video. So in next video I will tell you further. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share this video, and share subscribe as much as possible. Thank you.